As content creators, we're constantly striving, constantly upgrading, and always on the lookout for gear that makes the process of content creation more efficient and therefore allowing us to be more creative. We all know that getting your production audio right is critical because audio can make or break a video. The challenge is different filming scenarios usually mean different microphones. A lav for interviews, a handheld for street work, a desktop mic for podcasts, a camera mounted mic for that run and gun sort of shot. That's a lot of gear to carry and a lot to manage. But what would be ideal is just one microphone that adapts to us, does all of those things, something that can be lightweight, versatile and convenient. So no matter what scenario, we're always ready to hit that record button. This microphone that I'm currently using is the Boya Magic, the world's first transformable AI-powered mini microphone. It's built to handle all of those scenarios and it comes in this single marker-sized form factor. But here's the question, can this small size mic really replace your entire audio setup? Let's find out. So let's start by checking out what comes in this bundle. Right out of the box, you get everything you need for a full range of recording setups. 2 lightweight transmitters with magnets so you can attach them to clothes or clip them on if you prefer. 1 USB-C receiver for phones, tablets, laptops, action cameras, anything basically with a USB-C port. A lightning receiver for older non-USB-C iPhones. Camera receiver for connecting to cameras. The charging case for the transmitters, which also doubles up as another form for this microphone. 2 fur windshields for the transmitters. Fur windshield and a foam windshield for the charging case. A USB-C to USB-A and a USB-C to USB-C cables for charging and data transfer. 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable for connecting to cameras and other audio devices. A mini tripod for desktop or tabletop use. And a storage bag to keep everything together. This setup immediately shows you the versatility of this bundle. You're not just getting this mic, you're getting a full portable audio kit ready for multiple scenarios, and it all fits in this small bag. As a creator, your bag fills up quickly. Clip-ons, handhelds, stands, mount, it's a lot basically. And sometimes it's more than you can realistically carry around. Now we want a microphone that doesn't just sound professional, but one that's compact, easy to carry like this, and is ready for any filming setup. Something that doesn't weigh you down, yet gives you the freedom to create anywhere. And that's where I think this mic, the Boya Magic, changes the game. Right now you're hearing me in clip-on mode. Now I've swapped it to handheld mode, and here's how it sounds in desktop mode. And this is the Boya Magic microphone mounted to the top of my camera. As you can see from all of those different scenarios, you've got the same consistent pro-level audio quality from the same mic, but in 4 different forms. And it's this flexibility that is exactly what vloggers, educators, podcasters and streamers have all been asking for. Instead of having 4 different mics, you've got that one that adapts instantly. So why is this so clever? It starts with these little 7-gram transmitters that fit directly into the charging case. The tripod that comes with this bundle can be connected to the charging case via the mounting thread here, and it lets you instantly switch to desktop mode instantly, or just how I'm doing it, having in this handheld form factor. Each transmitter out of the case has up to 6 hours of battery life, so you can record multiple sessions without worrying about charging constantly. And when it is in the charging case itself, you can top up the mics on the go, giving you up to 30 hours of battery life, which makes it perfect for long shoots or travel. Plus, the Boya app adds another layer of flexibility. From the app, you can adjust gain, switch AI noise cancellation on or off, monitor battery levels, and even record directly from your phone. And pairing is almost instantaneous. No matter which receiver or form you decide to use, clip-on, handheld, desktop, or camera mounted, you can get set up and recording in seconds. And on top of that, the wireless signal has a range of up to 100 meters. So whether you're filming outdoors, on set, or in a larger room, your audio stays crisp and stable without worrying about losing connection. Now let's test what the Boya Magic's AI noise cancellation can really do. So as a test for the noise cancellation, I thought I'd do a little indoor test, seeing as though it is currently pouring down outside and none of my equipment is waterproof. So we're bringing the outdoors indoors. So the plan for this one is I've got a track of general city traffic noise that I'm going to play, and let's see how well the noise cancellation on the Boya mic does. So it's currently set to non-noise cancellation, so this is what it sounds like with no background noise or anything like that. So I'm going to put that track on right now. So you can probably hear that sort of traffic noise in the background, sort of maybe at the same sort of levels as my voice right now. So let's turn on the noise cancellation of this microphone. So all you need to do is just press this button here, and the light here go from blue to green. So hopefully now we've still got that track on in the background. It should have isolated my voice from that background noise, and hopefully it has reduced that background noise now so you can hear my voice very clear. It might sound a bit artificial, but obviously that separation that the AI in this is doing, obviously it's going to create a sort of artificialness to that sound. Now I wanted to push it to the extreme, so I brought in something that no content creator ever wants anywhere near their audio, and it's a drone. This is the DJI Mini 4K drone. This thing is loud, it's distracting, and creates that constant buzzing hum that most microphones really struggle with. So let's see how the Boya Magic handles the noise from this drone. I've currently got my drone flying right there, so if you can hear me, then this is good credentials for the AI capabilities of this camera. So if you can hear me, then this is this is really loud, obviously, as you can hear. So let's turn it off, the noise cancellation. You can hear the difference. So I'll turn the noise cancellation back off, and there might be some separation, but I don't think there's going to be. Listening to that footage, I was pleasantly surprised between the separation between the drone noise, which was really loud, and my voice. Yeah, it did sound a bit artificial, but it's still really good at that separation, blocking out that background noise. Now, compared to the traffic noise, it sounded miles apart in terms of quality, because the traffic noise reduction didn't sound artificial, but definitely the drone side of it did sound artificial. So obviously, depending on the loudness of that background noise may depend on whether or not your voice sounds artificial or not, but definitely really good at reproducing and separating my vocals compared to the background. So definitely a lot more usable than I ever thought it would be, considering how close the drone was to the camera and the microphone itself. Playing audio isn't just about blocking background noise. Sometimes it's about protecting against sudden loud sounds that can ruin a take. This microphone has you covered here too, with a smart limiter and safety track recording. The limiter automatically prevents sudden loud spikes from clipping, while the safety track records a duplicate of your audio at a lower volume. So even if the main track peaks, then you've got a cleaner backup. So I've got the Boya mic connected to my iPhone 15 Pro, and I've got it enabled to record safety track. So what that does, you can set it to have it in mono mode, and on the first track it will record that at the normal gain, and the second track it will record at minus 12 decibels. So if there is any loud unexpected noises, then it's going to record at a slightly lower gain. So having the limiter as well as this safety track feature acts as like a double peak protection regarding your recorded audio. So whether it's an unexpected laugh, a shout, or just environmental noises spiking, this microphone should keep your audio safe. So who is this microphone for? Honestly, it's for almost anyone who creates with audio. Content creators and vloggers who are just tired of carrying multiple bulky mics to cover different shooting styles. Interviewers and podcasters who want reliable dual recording without having to spend hundreds on extra gear. Educators and remote workers who need clean audio for Zoom calls, lectures, online courses, but also want portability. And don't forget those streamers who need consistent sound, whether they're gaming at a desk or walking around IRL streaming. The problem that most creators face is that have the high cost, because you're usually having to buy a lav mic, a handheld, a desktop mic, a camera mounted shotgun mic separately. This microphone removes all of those barriers, and it isn't just another mic. This 4-form transformable microphone is an entire audio kit with the convenience and portability to handle every scenario. Clip it on for a vlog, pop it into handheld for an interview, mount it on a tripod for a podcast, or stick it on your camera for that run and gun content. And the best part, no extra costs, no extra gear, no juggling multiple microphones. It's simple, it's efficient. And the proof, you've been listening to this entire video where you've seen me in different scenarios with different setups, and it's perfect. Now, if you want to get your hands on this microphone, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.